Are you crying?
No.
Not in...
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm laughing.
You're happy?
I'm laughing.
Oh, yeah, you're laughing.
Yeah.
Okay.
You bite?
No.
Okay, fine. You bite?
No, thank you.
Okay, fine.
What do nail polish and panties have in common? They both come off with alcohol.
I tricked you.
So y'all don't think I'm lying about what I'm about to say. I have been rained on all day. But as I was about to walk in the grocery store getting rained on, this old lady stops her car in the middle of the road and yells, "Hey!" So of course I'm like, oh no, what did I do? And I thought she was gonna yell at me because I didn't have a mask on. Masks are not required to wear in my city, and sometimes I do wear my mask, but today I did not bring it. I forgot it. And so I definitely thought she was gonna yell at me about that, but instead she goes, "Oh my gosh, like you are beautiful, you're gorgeous, can I have your whole look? Like you're everything I want to look like." And she was just so nice and I was shocked. Like that does not happen to me a lot, trust me. And I'm not even fishing for compliments, I'm just saying this does not happen to me in real life often. And she was just the coolest old lady. At the end of the convo, she's like, "I hate you," and then she drives off. Like she was so cool. Totally wish she was my grandma. But I woke up really not feeling good about myself today for whatever reason, and she just made my week. So this is a little reminder to spread love and compliment someone.
Did anyone join TikTok to like come here and make funny videos and then discover that everyone else is just as fucked up as you are? And you're like at home now.
Oh, God!
Oh, wow.
That's some good taco.
I know, right?
Yep.
Thanks for that.
No problem. I do my best.
You should get more often. I really...
Hello, where are you going? I'm right here. Listen, word on the street has it that if you put lipstick on a pig, it's still a pig. They lying, honey.
Hey Aaron, what concert costs 45 cents? 50 Cent featuring Nickelback.
I am so glad McDonald's does not serve hot dogs. I could not order a supersized McWiener with a straight face.
The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood.
She has no idea. I challenge you not to laugh. White people. White people love saying, "Get these away from me," after eating just a few chips.
I couldn't even make it past white people.
White people love saying, "I'm still nibbling on it," when the waitress tries to take their plate. White people love saying, "We came at the right time," when the line gets really long behind them in a restaurant.
Okay.
White people love saying, "Now let's do a silly one," during a group photo. White people love saying it's not the heat, it's the humidity that gets you.
Especially for I'm guilty, all of these.
White people love saying "knock knock" out loud instead of knocking. White people love saying, "What's the damage?" when getting the check.
You and me, right now, we're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Oh, fuck, I'm tired.
What is wrong with you?
I'm tired.
Oh, here we go.
What, you know the first time in the pool and all that sun, it makes me tired?
You were just in the pool for like 4 seconds.
I was in the pool for like 4 hours.
Wait a minute, you said you were tired?
Yes, I'm tired.
You need a place to relax?
Yeah, I think that'd be nice.
I got you.
How is that gonna help me relax?
Clean my face so you got a nice place to chill. And then afterwards, we can Netflix.
Are you you? No, that's not. I'm gonna go take a nap. That was funny. Thanks for the giggle, but no, I'm gonna take a nap.
What?
Okay, medical history. Have you ever been diagnosed with diabetes?
No.
Kidney disease?
No.
Migraines?
Getting one.
Are you currently pregnant?
No.
Are you sure you look a bit puffy?
Change migraine to yes.
When was your last menstrual period?
Oh, next question.
I'll put in progress. Okay. Moving to psychiatric disorders, list all major behavioral diagnoses, e.g. depression, anxiety, etc.
Oh my God, what the hell does this have to do with my stupid shoulder?
Episodes of subpsychotic rage.
Ass.
Possible Tourette's. Right, moles, lesions, or other skin conditions. Soup tattoo on right buttock.
Babe, I got something.
What you got?
A sander.
For what?
Hardwood flooring. I saw you did some maintenance this morning, so I wanted to, you know.
Maintenance?
You did maintenance. I saw. So.
Whoa! No. No, that is not going near me. No, get rid of it.
I'm not gonna. You thought I was gonna. No, not your heart. This is for the floors. The flooring.
The flooring is fine.
Now that you mention it, you wanna buff yours up real quick?
Seriously? Get out. Get out.
Can I get a pillow?
Fine.
Please?
Ass!
So this, ladies and gentlemen, this question, answer, comment, whatever you want to call it, is what happens when people who don't actually lift find my TikTok page.
I love when I order a breakfast burrito and ask for no pico, and they still put pico in it. I'm not touching that frog. No, not in a million years. You get that thing away from me right now. They're nice. They're not. I don't care. I don't care if they're flipping nice. That guy looks like he means business. He looks like. You. Okay. Maybe I won't like it.
So you don't like those donuts?
Yeah, they taste so bad. I taste them. Yuck. Anyway, here's your hat. Taste it. Stop taking my chips. Stop taking my chips, okay?
Okay.
You're my friends now. We're having soft tacos later. Sugar pea!
Drop them!
Okay!
I got you a present!
I'm a bomb! Everything's gonna be fine. You just need to believe. I like cups.
You like cups?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you love mommy?
No. I don't think so.
You don't think so?
When they milk and cheese, what else?
Spaghetti,
When they spaghetti, what else?
taco stuff,
When they taco stuff, what else?
bananas.
When they bananas, what else?
Say, I love
Love
ice cream.
cantono.
Say, I
I
want
want
ice cream.
cantono. Have you ever had a dream that you Do you have Instagram? No. Snapchat? Still no. Then what do you have? A life?
Are you crying?
No.
Not any-
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm yapping.
You're happy?
I'm yapping.
Oh yeah, you're laughing.
Yeah.
Okay. Do
Oh, good.
Oh, wow.
That's some good taco.
I know, right?
Yep.
Thanks for that.
No problem. I do my best.
Yeah, you should do that more often. I really